Want Reddit on your phone for quick memes, news, and communities on the go? Let's get it downloaded on few tabs. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Reddit. Here you can see the list of options. Tap on the official app. And here you can see install button. Tap on it to begin the installation. It may take a few moments. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll go to the welcome screen of the Reddit app. And just like that, you are in the Reddit universe right from your phone. If your app's stuck during install, check your internet connection or free up storage space on your phone. Do you use Reddit more on mobile or desktop? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.